Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So here's a couple cars that I got at AutoZone. I went there to get some Bondo, and I actually saw. I already have the whole set of this, but I really wanted the EG and what was the other car? But I wanted to get this by itself to open up, but the guy wouldn't sell it to me as individual. He had to sell me the whole set, so I did that, and I realized that it was too cool to open. This is the other one that I wanted, the WRX. So I totally just like, all right. And then if I ever came across one, I would told myself I'd buy it, and I did. And so here it is. Yeah, really nice. If you don't understand too, I had a 95 or 93 Honda Civic DX hatchback. That was my first car. My parents bought it in 93 brand new. Used it throughout high school, and then when I graduated from high school and I started going to community college, it was my car. And then I started working at Domino's, and I put money into building this car. So I had like a lot of aftermarket parts, and never got it fully completed, but I did have like Bomix mirrors and the Bomix mid-wing. I mean the Bomix top wing, and I had the Wings West mid-wing, three-piece mid-wing, had a carbon fiber hood. I love that car. That car got stolen when I moved up here to California, and it was back in Washington because my dad wasn't being cautious about it. Anyways, the other one is this. This is a NOS 74 Datsun truck. I saw this and I couldn't believe it. I like M2 cars, but the problem with them is that they just cost too much. Of course, they always say there's a limited production of these worldwide. This is obviously NOS, so I had to get that. I love Datsun trucks, so I had to get this for what it is. Anyway, so these are the cars that I got. I'll talk to you guys later.